The reason why I choose SWS is because they have more opportunities and more training they can give in the other HOT operating, and I looked it up online. My friend showed me them, and I really got really interested in it.
Course for someone with no experience to full experience. You'll learn lots here, and they are just great.
I choose SWS because I seen an opportunity for me to get some training and some experience in these machines that I always wanted to do when I was young.
Training was great because I lacked in excavator and grader, and the points and techniques that I got from the instructor.
It's pretty hands-on, like especially doing your pre-checks and then doing your like after you're done the day you have to grease, so that's where the hands-on comes in, so that's pretty good. Okay.
Kind of hard at first, and like once you get the momentum of it, it's like, and each hour, well, we get a partner, and like each hour we take turns, and like the more you're on the equipment, you get better at it.
I chose SWS for my heavy equipment training to gain new skills in life, and to gain new skills and to learn, getting experience on the machines and that, and to get so I can get a better job.
The trainers were awesome, Randy, Scott, and Greg. They show us things that I never really been told what is what, and actually having hands-on is really great to have. Instead of being in a simulator, you're not exactly getting shown exactly how the field is going to look like.
The instructors are very informative. They're very smart. They know what they're talking about. They've been in the industry for many years, and yeah, it's been really such a phenomenal experience. I had zero knowledge or anything about any of the tractors, and now I have the confidence, and I know how to do my safety checks, my safe start, my secondary, and all the parts to the machines, how to drive it. I feel confident, and before I wouldn't know where to even begin.
I learned a lot, like from little things to big things and everything, so my experience here and everything, like I learned a lot here. Okay.
So I advise anybody to take this program. It's magnificent. And recommending it to everybody and anybody. Okay. Because within myself too now, I have so much confidence, and now I know that I can do anything.
Yes, I do. I highly recommend it. It was quite an experience, actually. I knew nothing about it, and now I know so much of it, and yeah, I like it.
So I recommend this to anybody, man, like to women, especially women, man.
Oh yeah, for sure, I would recommend this to quite a bit of my friends, because I have a lot of friends that are into operating, so I'm for sure going to recommend this course to them.
I would. Anybody else that's listening out there, if anybody wants to check out Facebook, try this training, Safety with Shelly. It's an awesome experience for me.